To start out this look, I'm applying this teal shade above the crease with this little brush. First applying the color where I'd like it, the thickness of the actual brush, making my way towards the inner corner, and then bringing it towards the outer corner, and then creating a line at the same angle of my lower lash line, and then creating a sideways V shape connecting the two lines in the outer corner. I just want an even application of the colors. Once you have a line around the crease and the outer corner, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges using little circular motions on that top edge. You want to be sure not to blend this up too high, just blend that top edge using little swiping motions and going back and forth with circular motions. Be sure to maintain that sideways V shape in the outer corner. Once you have that all blended out, you're going to go in with this darker shade of teal and apply it in the outer portion of the lid in that little V shape, almost creating like a little triangle, and then blending it to the teal shades around it, packing on a little bit more color, and then sweeping it towards the center of my eye and bringing it into the crease, being sure to let that first teal shade peek behind it by keeping the shade a little bit lower. We're just adding a little bit of depth with this color, maintaining that V shape, and then just slowly blending and then dragging it towards the inner corner with what's left on the brush, and then blending it out. You can go back in with that first shade of teal if needed. Next, I'm going in with that same brush on the lower lash line and that darker teal and blending it out, using little swiping motions, being light-handed, just buffing the color on. Next, with this dark bluish teal, I'm applying it lower into the outer portion of the lid and then blending into the darker shade of teal that we just applied. Just slowly building this color up and then making a triangle shape in the outer corner there, and then dragging it a little bit into the crease. Following that V shape, kind of connecting it to that lower portion to just make the colors melt into each other. Being sure to keep it low in the crease. Next, I'm just blending everything out with this large brush, just buffing out the edges. I want everything to be smooth. You can put a little bit of that first light shade of teal to blend everything out. With this shimmering blue teal shade, I'm applying it to the lid by packing on the color and then using little swiping motions on the edges to blend it into the colors surrounding it, working my way towards the inner corner. I'm bringing this up into the crease area and then blending into that teal shade. I like to use little feathering motions. I'm using a light hand for this. Make sure to tap off the brush before applying so you don't have too much fallout. Just sweeping on the color. Once you have an even application, I'm going in with this light teal shade, I think it's more of a blue, in the inner corner, and then sweeping it into the shades around it using little feathering motions towards the nose. I'm lining my eyes with this blue liner and creating an inner corner wing and connecting everything. Kind of smoking it out into the lash line a little bit to make my lashes look thicker. Smoking that out with a dark shade of blue with this flat brush. Next, I'm drawing on a wing with this metallic liner. I'm starting on the center of my eye, creating the beginning of the line. I want this line to be thicker on the outer corner. Next, I'm drawing on a wing, just filling in the shape and connecting it with the inner corner wing, adding a little bit of thickness towards the center, filling everything in, adding mascara and false lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!